Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel Flight Zone, and this is your host Z here. So I just want to put out a bit of a disclaimer because my next video was intended to be a series beginning in Trinidad and about Trinidad. However, unfortunately or maybe fortunately, for work purposes, I end up having to travel to another country. In this case, that country was Suriname. So sit back, relax and enjoy a journey with me to Paramaribo, Suriname. After a short flight, I arrived at the Adolf Pengel International Airport just as the plane landed. Here, it was a very nice airport and with a lot of things to see. And there were many things that intrigued my interest, such as this statue that points to Suriname's colonial past. After approximately a drive of about an hour and a half to 2 hours, I arrived at the famous Royal Breeze Hotel. And here I was just looking around, taking in the amazing view of the place. Of course, in typical Trini fashion, I had to fill my belly. I had a great breakfast with my colleagues, enjoyed every bit of that meal. Next thing I would do is go to sleep, wake back up and again fill my belly. This is a traditional Javanese Suriname dish, packed and full with flavor. It's basically a soup that you put together with these ingredients here. And it's absolutely delicious. If you've never tried it, I recommend it if you ever in your lifetime go to Suriname. Later that evening, I went for a casual walk to Fort Zeelandia to see the Queen Wilhelmina statue and take in the breathtaking sights near the riverside. The following is a little montage that I would have put together, just capturing what I was able to see with my drone. So after flying my drone and being able to see all these monuments, I would have taken several pictures of some of the monuments and history that the country had to offer, and just seeing how so many people took pride in their country also gave me a sense of appreciation for my country and what we have to offer, which is the entire point of my channel to begin with. It's a very nice experience to travel and go see other places, whether it's for work or on your own personal time. I would encourage each and every one of you to make an effort to try to do so at least once in your lifetime. You know, it's something that you will never forget. And I know a lot of us would look at the finances and look at money, but you know, you only have one life to live, and I encourage each and every one of you to, you know, try to make memories and enjoy this life while you're here on this planet. For those of you who made it to the end, I really appreciate, and I always say it, I really appreciate you taking your time out of your day to spend a moment with me, to see something different from what we're used to. And if you enjoy what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family so that they all could see this experience and share it with me as well. Thank you. Have a good day. You guys take care. It's your boy Z signing out.